Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here is the trigger lock for your pistol or your rifle. See, it comes instructions, looks just like that. Okay, let's get the box. I did buy the 3-pack. Comes 3 of them, and you get a little screwdriver. Okay, so this is it right here. So the little screwdriver is for when you open it. You stick it in here, and you can change the code to whatever number you like. Okay, so once you open it, looks just like that. Very good. The tighter you put it, the better it is. Okay, you can see here, very nice. You can see here, they cover it very well. Doesn't even move. Awesome, 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 awesome. Love them.